Good evening. First tonight, baffling new information about a story hard for many people to grasp. A judge awarding custody of a child born to a rape victim to the person accused of the attack.
And just when you thought there could not be another twisted part of this story, the Tangipahoa Parish Sheriff's Office admitting that it has screwed up. The investigative unit and Chris Nakamoto unearthing all kinds of new details tonight.
Michael, Sylvia, court documents released Thursday morning came with an explanation from Judge Jeffrey Cash about why he made the decisions that he did. Tonight, those decisions are being called into question as the world wonders how this happened, and focus shifts to the detectives who dropped the ball from the very beginning.
The WBRZ investigative unit up bright and early Thursday, combing through a sea of documents unearthed and unsealed overnight, as people far and wide demand an explanation about what you saw first on WBRZ this week. A judge giving custody of a child who was born from a rape to the perpetrator. Krista Abelseth filed a report with the Tangipahoa Parish Sheriff's Office in 2015. But nothing was done.
In 2015, I believe, is the first time that we took a report from the victim. And for whatever reason, I don't believe that report was assigned a detective. And that certainly is the fault of the Tangipahoa Parish Sheriff's Office, and we have to own that.
Owning it now, but for 7 years, the report sat on a shelf, not investigated. New today, details about Judge Jeffrey Cash's decision, forcing Abelseth to pay John Barnes child support. Abelseth says she was 16 when she met Barnes, then 30 at a bar, was raped, then got pregnant, now paying him $117 per month. Barnes even going after her when she fell behind on payments. Things took a dramatic turn this year when Judge Cash awarded full custody to Barnes, saying the mother was in contempt for providing the child with a cell phone. But that's not all. A month before the judge gave full custody to the father, the child reported she was sexually assaulted by Barnes for 2 nights in a row. The teenage girl sought treatment at a hospital in New Orleans, where a doctor confirmed there's evidence of a sexual assault.
Due to all of the public outcry, not just in Louisiana, but across the nation and the world, Judge Jeffrey Cash unsealed all of these court records late Wednesday night. It was mysterious in the first place as to why they were sealed. Those unsealed records that we reviewed Thursday morning confirm the victim's story.
I feel like I'm the victim in this situation, and I'm being treated and harassed like I'm the criminal.
Now this. As we were working on our story Thursday, the Tangipahoa Parish Sheriff's Office revealed in a statement only it screwed up the initial rape investigation and decided to turn it over to the district attorney's office for him to prosecute.
We're talking about a juvenile as a victim, so the victim would have been underage at the time, I think in the neighborhood of 16, and the perpetrator, I think, would have been 30. So yes, you would certainly have at a minimum a criminal knowledge situation that should have been realized by the deputy who took the report, and it should have been assigned an actual detective at that time. There's certainly no question about that.
Tonight, with the sheriff's office admitting it dropped the ball, questions are being raised about how much longer this custody fight will go on.
They've made it to where it almost seems like they're protecting him in some way. Like there's something more going on that I don't know about.
In another twisted turn to this story, the investigating detective filed court motions asking not to be questioned about portions of this investigation. Seasoned legal experts say the unsealed documents don't do the judge or the sheriff's office any favors, helping the public understand what they did. Sylvia?